today I want to show you a method to make money online that can replace your 9 to 5. So this is affiliate marketing, but not the way we are used to it, because a lot of people who are successful in affiliate marketing, they have already an established presence or platform in all maybe social media platforms. But with this method, of course, you're still going to use social medias, but do not worry, I'm going to show you all the steps that anybody can do or follow and be able to replace their 9 to 5 from only this one simple method. So we're going to use 4 websites or apps, and the first app is TikTok. Now don't be alarmed when I say TikTok. I'm going to show you how to do this without showing your face. If you don't really want to show your face out there, you can still do this. And another website is Canva. Only the free version can do this. And again, we're going to use a platform where we're going to get the products that we can promote. And the last website is going to be a website that we're going to use to be able to find the right links, or just to get the links out there on TikTok. So we are going to be doing affiliate marketing, but with this method anybody can do this. Now the first website that I'm going to go to is Canva. Now with Canva, we're going to do 2 things. We're going to get a profile picture and also our content. You may have seen a lot of videos where people just show one person and then they come up with quotes, or they show some videos playing on the background without even showing their faces, and then there is a motivational quote. Now this is the method that we're going to do or go for this affiliating marketing method. Now I'm going to go to Canva. The first thing that I need here on Canva is to click create a design, and because what I'm looking for is not appearing over here, I'm just going to search for TikTok, and then it can be a TikTok video or TikTok profile picture. Now let's start with TikTok video. Now I'm going to click on TikTok video and go back to the home screen of Canva or the landing page, and then again I'm going to click on TikTok profile pictures. Now I've got 2 things here on Canva, is the video and the profile picture. Now the profile picture is going to depend on the niche or category that you're choosing to go for or choosing to start content on. So here I'm going to choose spirituality or Christianity. This is going to be a method where you just put motivational Bible quotes. You can use poems, you can use a financial quotes, you can use any method, but with our video today we're going to choose only Christianity or spiritual content. Now the profile picture, I'm going to choose a photo that's going to be my profile picture. Now I'm not going to even show my face over here, so I'm going to search on photos. I'm going to search, already I searched over here before, but this image, as you can see, is the pro version. Now I need to find an image which has a cross and a Bible, but this image must not be of a pro version. It can be worship, it can be Jesus, Bible, the cross, anything related to spirituality or Christianity or whatever religion you are at and you want to promote, whatever you feel like you are passionate about and you can be able to write content about or quotes about. Now we're choosing spirituality, and let's just see with worship, there are people worshiping over here, and this image that doesn't have a crown is a free version image, so I can choose to choose that, but I want something with color that's colorful, so I'm going to choose all these are pro versions, and let me choose this one. I'm going to choose this cross over here. It's a free version. After choosing this cross, I'm going to just make it a background, so I'm going to set as a background. So already now we have our profile picture. What I'm going to do now is to download this PNG, and then it's going to be my profile picture on my TikTok account. So I have now my profile picture. Now I'm going to move into the content. So I need content that I'm going to be posting every day on TikTok. So what we need is very simple. We're only going to come to nature videos or beaches or nature, forest, all those kind of natural videos that are taken maybe with a drone that's showing everything. So I'm going to start with this one. The first one, I'm just going to click on it, and then after clicking on this, I can choose maybe to make it only 7 seconds, because videos that are much shorter, they get a lot of retention. So I'm going to choose maybe only 7 seconds. And when I come over here on on the text. I don't want this kind of text. I'm gonna delete everything. Then I just come over here and click a T, and then now I'm gonna look for a verse that I feel like this is the verse that can motivate people or it can draw attention. So I'm gonna close here and then look for a verse that I want. So let's just say this is the verse that I'm gonna go for. I'm just gonna choose this verse, copy, and then come back here to Canva, and then on the videos I'm gonna come to this text paragraph and then paste it. So it's now in black, but I want it to be visible, so I'm gonna choose to make it white. I have to highlight it first and then make it white. Now I have my white text, but it's still small, so I'm gonna try to make it maybe 40. Let's see how big we can make this. Let's say 56, maybe 60. So we have now our code. So it's not visible because of these bubbles, water bubbles. Let me just click R to get the background. So this is what I'm gonna get, and I'm just gonna try to make it the size of the text. And after that, this is gonna be the background. So I'm gonna put it at the background. I'm just gonna position it backwards. Now my video is visible, so let me just try to play this and you will be able to see. So this is what's going to be playing on the background, and then I have this code for only 7 seconds. Now I'm going to go to TikTok, get trending music or trending sound that's going to go with this video of mine, and already I have my first video. If I need another second video, I just click here on add, and then I can choose another nature video that I want. Maybe let's see, let me go back so that I can choose from what's over here. So I'm gonna choose this one. So this is me playing it. It's just a drone taking the sky or the clouds, and then this is the whole video. It's also 7 seconds. Now I'm gonna remove all of this, delete, and add the code that I want. Let's just say this is the code that I would choose for my second video. So it says don't let people bring you down. So if it's not visible over here, I just choose the background that's gonna go with. Now I'm done. I have my content, I have my profile picture. Now I just go to TikTok, I create my account, and on that account I use my profile picture as that image that is over here. This is the image over here, and after that I come and download this as an MP4. So this is gonna be a video, so I'm just gonna come over here and download, and I'm gonna download as an MP4 video. So after downloading this, now I have my 2 videos. So in a day, because this took me less than 5 minutes, in a day within 30 minutes I can make 10 videos. So if you're posting 10 videos or 5 videos a day, that's gonna quicken the process for you to get 1,000 followers, and after 1,000 followers, that's when you can start promoting the products. Now let's go to the products that we want to promote. Now we're gonna go to Digistore. Now the first thing that you want to do on Digistore is to register your profile. After registering your profile, you can then choose to come onto the category that you want to promote. Because we chose spirituality or Christianity or motivational, we're gonna come over here to spirituality and click over here. So with spirituality, it's gonna take us to the products that we can start to promote. Now as you can see here, it says earnings are around $5.38. This is per client you get. So if one person buys this from your link, you will get $5.38. Now you can choose what you want to promote according to what you believe in or you feel like your community is going to be interested in. So the second product here, you can add $11.51. Now if we want to promote this, let's just go to something that I want to promote. Live a life of contentment. This is what I want to promote. Now I'm gonna come over here to promote now, and then I got my link. After getting this link, I'm just going to choose to copy this link address. Now if I am choosing to only promote this product, I can just go ahead after getting 1,000 followers on TikTok and promote this link. But if I want to promote as many products as possible, I have to now have all my links grouped in one place. Then I take that one place and use it as a link, and then my followers are going to choose the links that or the products that they want to buy. So now I've got my link. I'm gonna go to a website called Linktree. So now I've already logged in, but if you wanna start with the registration, here is gonna show you the registration button. So you just click register, and then you're gonna have a profile like this. So this is my profile for my personal account. Now already, as you can see, these are the links that I have in my profile. I've got Canva, I've got Copy AI, my Instagram, and my YouTube. So these are all my 4 links. Now if I want to add the link that I got just now, I just come over here, add a link. Now the URL that I just copied, I'm gonna paste it over here and then click add. Already, as you can see, it appeared immediately. Now for me to be able to see how much I've made, or if people are clicking on my link, I just have to click over here on analytics. So this is now my analytics after putting my link in my TikTok account. So now it's loading and I've got 13,350 views, and out of 13,350 views, 8,740 people clicked, and the retention was 65.5%. So I do not have the revenue here because I'm not selling anything. Now this is only from my personal account. So from the account, I'm not using Linktree, I'm using an alternative of Linktree, and I will try to just put the screenshots of how my progress was if I still have them. I had a progress of after 5 days, how many followers I had and how many views I had per video. So I will see what I can find and then I will link it, I will put it in the video. Now you've got everything. Now we've got our TikTok account opened. So the first thing to do is to open that TikTok account. After opening the TikTok account, you come over here to TikTok, you create a profile picture. Now you have your profile picture, you need content. Now you have these videos that you can add as many as you can a day, and then you have your content. And after uploading the content, after getting 1,000 views, that's when you can link your links or your products that you are or the products that you're promoting or selling. So the amount that you're gonna make is gonna depend on how many views you get and also how many people are clicking on your links, and after clicking, do they like the product. So do you choose a product that you can confidently say is a good product. After that, you get your 1,000 followers, you can now put your Linktree link. Your Linktree link is going to have all these other products that you are selling, just like I have shown in the video, and then that way you will be able to start making money. You may not make 1,000 today. It's going to take time for you to consistently make sales, and then that's when you can make more money. So how much you make is going to depend on your account, how many views you're getting, how many people or how many followers are loyal to you and they want to support you, and the connection that you've built with your community. And that's how you make money with this simple method of affiliate marketing. And we've come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching up to here. See you in the next video. Cheers.